AUP Plan Implementation Guide for Teachers. An AUP stands for an Acceptable Use Policy. It is a document that outlines expectations for acceptable and unacceptable use of technology. All users must agree in order to have access to the available technology. Why do we need an AUP plan? Well, in a digital age where students are utilizing the internet for their daily instruction, it is necessary for all schools to have an effective AUP plan. Even though MCPS has limited the access to inappropriate materials, students may still encounter content that may not be age appropriate or appropriate for school. An AUP is a protective measure that teaches students and staff how to use technology safely and responsibly. Our technology committee has designed a specific AUP plan for students in grades K through 2 and students in grades 3 through 5. Each student must sign the document as well as their parents in order for them to have access to the district-provided technology. The AUP has a matrix of unacceptable behaviors and consequences for each offense. Where can I find the AUP? All AUPs and related resources are available to all staff in our school's Google Team Drive. Just look under AUP folder. All teachers should explicitly teach their students what it means to be a digital citizen. You can start by showing students the Green Castle AUP video, designed by our school's technology committee. By introducing concepts of digital citizenship, students will understand why and how to be safe online and careful with school technology tools, to stay on task and use only teacher-approved sites, to be respectful in their online discussions and posts, to keep personal information private, and to give credit for images, videos, and other sources of information. Did you know that all MCPS staff have a specific AUP? Each year, MCPS staff are required to watch a video presentation on technology policy in the form of a training module. To help students connect the idea that we all have responsibility and accountability online, teachers can share that they also have to follow specific rules when using school technology. Teachers can take additional steps to control their students' online use. GoGuardian is a program that allows teachers to monitor student computers, communicate, and even block their access from specific sites. This tool even provides a report after your session has ended and informs you of the websites your students were on and for how long. MCPS teachers can log on to GoGuardian using their Google account.